All right, just got back from my first meeting with the law firm out in Wellesley. It actually worked out quite well. I'm going to actually retain them, and they're going to do my incorporation, all the paperwork for it. I did a lot of research over the weekend, some things to maybe tell you guys. Obviously, starting a company, I want to make sure that it's founder friendly, incorporated. Basically what that means is that I want to make sure that I am protected so that down the road, once I start taking on a series of investments, I don't get diluted out and obviously lose either control of my company or get voted out of the board, or all the stories that I've heard. So Founder Institute was one of the websites I went to, and I actually got to see some documentation on how to file a founder-friendly documentation. I also went to Techstars, took a look at their incorporation paperwork, and they had some useful information there. The lawyers I talked to, they're Jeanette, she's very good about explaining how to make it so that I have like a 10-to-1 vote, for example, or not double vest, so that when everyone cashes out, I can cash out, etc. But obviously, it's very there's a lot to to the law, and obviously that's the reason you have to hire a good law firm. And it's funny because I was comparing finding a good lawyer to dating, and I met with Fish and Richardson, which is a really big law firm in Boston, and I would say that was like a bad blind date. They're only for really corporate companies. They're $600 an hour. They kind of didn't really think of me as like a company to do business with. So it was a bad date. But this was obviously a very good date, and I like where I'm at, and I'm going to move forward. Some other things to consider right now is to do an LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp. I'm not going to go LLC. I definitely need to incorporate. An S Corp is nice because you don't get double taxed, but I'm definitely going to go ahead and get funding, and I'm going to probably work at a loss for at least the first year anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and go right for C Corp. The other reason is because I'm trying to document, do the incorporation with founder-friendly stock. If you're going to have more than one stock, you need to go C Corp, because then you can have founder stock, for example, and then common stock, or other stock. You can't do that under a S Corp. So I'm just going to go full bloat and go for C Corp. And because I'm online, and because I've done some research, Delaware seems to be the best place for me to file my incorporation papers, because they're obviously company friendly or corporate friendly. Also, there's some tax advantages. So I'm going to be filing Delaware, C Corp, and go from there. I filed my trademark Friday. I'm excited about that. And also learned a lot of the things about trademark, but hopefully 3 or 4 months I'll get a little bit of information on if it's processing correctly. That can take up to about a year, and then I can put that little R with a circle on it, and that'll be pretty good. But other than that, you can actually put TM, a little trademark, on your logo and all, basically anything that has your name. And what's great about that is that works as a trademark until you actually do file. So, but that's it. So. That's what I'm learning from the law firm so far, so talk to you guys later.